In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Copilot to read your local files on Windows 10 or 11. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload a file, grant permission when asked, and ask clear questions so Copilot can summarize or explain what's inside your documents. First, open Microsoft Copilot. You can launch it directly if it's available on your Windows device, or open Microsoft Edge and click the Copilot button to start a chat. If you don't see Copilot yet or you need the latest version of Edge, I've placed the official links at the very top of the description, so you can download or access them quickly. With Copilot open, look at the chat box for the paperclip icon. Click that paperclip, choose a file from your computer, and then click Open. That's the action that lets Copilot receive a copy of the file you wanted to analyze. A quick tip: make sure you've saved any recent edits before uploading and consider removing anything you don't want shared, because Copilot will read the content you provide. If a permission prompt appears, click Allow. This confirmation is important. It tells Copilot it's allowed to read the specific file you just uploaded. It does not grant blanket access to your computer or your folders. Copilot can only see what you explicitly upload in that chat. Now, ask Copilot about the file right in the chat. You can say, summarize this document, or explain what this file contains. The more specific you are, the better. For example, ask it to identify key points, extract dates or names of sections, or highlight action items. If the answer is too broad, follow up with a clarifying question to narrow the focus. A few important notes before we wrap up. Copilot cannot access your files automatically. You must upload them manually each time. Some file types or sizes may be limited, so if something doesn't work, try saving your document to a more common format, like PDF or docx, or reduce the file size. Also, Copilot analyzes the copy you uploaded to this chat. It doesn't scan your entire drive. That's all you need. Open Copilot, upload via the paperclip, allow access if prompted, and then ask your questions. Copilot can now read and analyze your uploaded files to help you work faster and understand your content more clearly. Thanks for watching.